Hello everyone, this is Gideon from Taesung Mobile. First of all, I would like to introduce to you our shop, Taesung Mobile Myeongdong, which has been in the business of selling SIM cards and mobile phones for the past 15 years. We have a well-established track record, and our services have always met with a great customer satisfaction. We offer great service in a very competent price and have never been known to compromise on the quality of our service. There are some of our customers have experienced the difficulties of finding our store. Taesung Mobile Myeongdong is not that hard to find. So listen. First, go to Myeongdong Station exit 6 and then turn left and keep going straight until you reach Myeongdong Art Theater. If you have reached the Myeongdong Art Theater, turn right at the corner and you'll see a tourist information building. Taesung Mobile is next to that building. Second floor. It's really easy, right? There are some tourists come here in Korea and they forgot sometimes to buy tourist SIM card. Some of them go to convenience store to buy tourist SIM card. Now, the problem is this. You do it by yourself. And if there's a problem, there's stuff they cannot fix it because they don't know how to do it. But with the help of Taesung Mobile, you won't just buy and go. We register it and we help you until your internet works. That's the Taesung Mobile do. We seek for happiness and satisfaction. We did this video for two reasons. Most of our customers walk around Myeongdong for 20 minutes, which only take for 3 minutes walk from Myeongdong Station exit number 6. The second thing is, there are too many tourists come over to our shop just to buy another SIM card because their SIM card that they bought outside doesn't work completely. That's why we take this video for you guys. If you have some questions, please free to ask through the contact details we have provided below. And please don't forget to follow our page on Facebook, Taesung Mobile Myeongdong. See ya, babush!